On this is a numerical on limitations of Euler's theory. Example 7. In an experimental determination of buckling load for 12 mm diameter pin-ended strut of various lengths. So 12 mm diameter is a solid circular section. Pin-ended strut, that means L is equal to LE. Okay, two of the values obtained are as under. So they have the two results here, wherein they have given the length of the member and buckling load in both the cases. What we have to do is state whether either of the values conforms with the Euler's theory or not. So in Euler's theory, what we have studied that if LE by K, that is slenderness ratio lambda, if less than LE by K limiting, then Euler's theory is not applicable. That means Euler's theory is only applicable for the slender column. This is what we have learned. So let us find out these values and compare them whether they they fall in Euler's theory or not. So first condition I have taken, length is 500 and buckling load is 8 kilonewton. So LE by K limiting is what? It is root of pi square E by crushing stress. So I have calculated crushing stress, which is equal to P by A, load divided by area. Load 8 kilonewton is given, 8 kilonewton is given, which I have converted to newtons. So pi by 4 into 12 square is the area. When you substitute this, you get 70.77. Substitute this, LE by K limiting is equal to root of pi square E by crushing stress. So this is equal to pi square, substitute for E, which is given as 2 into 10 raised to 5, divide by 70.77. This is the value we have got in our last calculation. So let us calculate. Divide by 70.77, root of that answer 167.00. Okay, so we got LE by K limiting. Now let us find what is LE by K. To find this LE by K, what we have to find out is what is LE. LE here given is for pin ended strut. So pin ended strut LE is 500. This is given, correct? Divide by K. K is the unknown value. So K is equal to root of I by A. So let us calculate what is I. Since it is a solid circular section with 12 mm diameter, it is pi by 64 d raised to 4. Substitute d is equal to 12 mm and you will get the value 1017.87 millimeter raised to 4. Similarly, area, same thing what you have calculated in the last part, 12 square. So you get the value 113.09 millimeter square. Substitute this for K and you will get the value K is equal to root of I by A. So let me substitute, divide by 113.09. So you get the value here 3. Okay, now I am substituting here 500 divided by 3. So I will get 166.67. Now compare these two values. So LE by K is less than LE by K limiting here. See these values, this is less than this. Thus we can say Euler's formula is, or Euler's theory is not applicable for this experimental observation. Okay, is not applicable. Similarly, you have to do for case 2. Case 2 is given what? L is 200 millimeters and P is 30 kilonewton. So quickly let us substitute for this. LE by K limiting. Okay, same procedure. I'm just repeating it for you all. Okay, same procedure. So what is FC? FC is 30 newtons divided by area. Area we have already calculated, right? So we can calculate this 65.275. So FC is found. Substitute here, shift pi square into 2 into 10 raised to 5 divided by 265.275. So how much is that? Root of that answer 86.26. So lambda limiting you have got. What is the next step? Next step is to find out LE by K. Now LE is how much given? 200. Okay, pin ended stud. K we have already calculated. K is 3. So simply substitute and we get 66.67. So here also LE by K is less than LE by K limiting. So that is why thus Euler's theory is not applicable. This completes the problem.